Good morning, YouTube mine explorers. Tom and Julie here. We're out on the abandoned mine hunting trail again today. We're going up an old mining road, headed for that waste pile you can see in the background, the big white pile. The road's washed out pretty good, as you can see. We have made it to the base of the waste rock pile here at the Lincoln Boys Mine. We still got to make our way to the top of it. I see a big carbide can up there. Let's go take a look at that. Well, we made it to the top of the waste pile. The track that came out of the adit is gone. The portal is heavily timbered. Looks like there's been some erosion here, some rocks falling down. There was a door here, not anymore. It's off its hinges. That's looking back at the portal that we just came through. Let's go exploring, see what we find. It immediately makes a left or a right here. Right is crashed, looks like. That doesn't look good, does it? Hopefully left goes somewhere. This is to the left. Looks like an ore pass here. I can see some loose timbers down there. Looks like they've slid down. Let's go this way. There's a whole complex of timbering down there. You must have accessed it from the other way where that crash was. Huh, interesting complex of timbers though. I don't see a safe way of getting down in there, but let's look over here further behind me. Very soft and quiet in here, isn't it? Here's a chute. Heavily timbered again up above. This looks crashed in here too. Look at that, it's turned into toothpicks. That way is a dead end. I'm standing under a fairly significant collapse area. There's a shaft here of some sort. Well, I found a shaft that was open. I came down this ladder. It's kind of beat up in here too. Look at the load count, so that's pretty cool. I think I'm walking on ground here. There's a garbage can lid that's kind of neat. That's an old style one. Look at that. Galvanized. And here's a carbide can with the top inside of it still. So there's a major collapse straight ahead here. I don't know what all happened here. This whole world collapsed, it looks like. All this stuff must have been cribbed up into this stope here that I'm in. Look at all the mortise and tenon joints. That goes down that way a little ways. So, I don't know, not too much to look at right here. Let's go around to the other side over here. That's the shaft over that way. Let's go this way just a little bit. Okay. Okay, nothing that way. I see a ladder going this way. Danger. Oh boy, that looks scary. Well, I'm not going down there alone. If I go down there, I gotta go back and get Julie. Here comes Julie down the ladder. Watch out for the broken rungs too. I think there's...
That's right there, I got it.
You passed it?
Yeah. My feet are past it.
Okay. And then it's a little loose coming up in about another 10 feet. And there's one missing rung down here, but that's towards the bottom. Well, I'm on about the third set of ladders here. This thing keeps going down here. That goes straight down. It might be a working level here. Let's go see. There's a bunch of stuff laying around right there. You gotta make yourself a little skinny there because of your backpack. Just keep coming straight down. You don't need to worry about the other ladder.
Yeah.
They both go to the same place. Nice ladders though, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going away from the ladders a little bit. Across a bridge. Bunch of explosives boxes here. Oh, we might be on a working level here. High explosives. Trojan Powder Company. Okay. There's a bridge over this way. Over what? I don't know. Well, we're gonna get a little bit of an explorer here. Okay, you don't want to fall down there. It goes right and it goes left. That's right. This is left. Let's go to the right. There's Julie. She's still making it. Is she crazy? This looks like a large stove. And maybe more, who knows. There was some timbering holding stuff in place, so let's just be very quiet and careful not to bump anything. A lot of explosives boxes laying around. Looks like it might go through over here. It's warm. Big stove here. Hard to get the scale of this. This is probably about 40 feet tall and longer than that in length. Okay, we moved on to that stove. That's pretty cool. Well, this thing has no shortage of dangers. Another thing, it could be. I'm gonna go look to make sure. You gonna stay there? Okay. More blasting dynamite boxes. It looks like it keeps going over here a ways. Well, I'm feeling a little air. been real hot in here for the last few minutes. Oh, maybe I'm just getting air through there. This is just rotten wood. Well, there are more chutes and ore passes in here than you can shake a stick at. There's a piece of drill bit. I'm gonna go take a peek over here, but go the other way. There's an incline shaft. Goes down quite a ways. Not real steep. It would be fairly easy to navigate. Well, we just had a minor collapse down this way. Created a lot of dust. I gotta get my mask on. Okay, we got out of that area. That was a little scary. Started to collapse. Okay, you can see the size of the stope. Julie's at kind of the 3/4 mark of the length of it. She's about 30 feet away. So this thing's like 50 feet long and about 30 feet high. Maybe a little higher down at the bottom, 40 feet. Broken ladders, piece of track, piece of drill steel. It's pretty jumbled up, I gotta say. Talc mines are pretty unstable. Look at that, a brand new bit. That's pretty cool. Well, we've come to another kind of a dead end. This place is really a maze of different stopes and stuff. There's a bunch of explosives boxes. There are explosives boxes everywhere you turn. Goes a little ways this way. Let's see what happens. Look at that mess. Well, this is the bridge we came in on, right?
Yep.
I remember this. I remember not wanting to fall down there. So, this should lead us back towards the ladders. Which kept going down, but I don't know, man. It's pretty hot in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. It's unnaturally hot. It's pretty cool though. Here are the ladders. They continue to go straight down. Wow. Yeah. I think I'm going to call it for right now. These will still be here if we want to come back sometime. This is looking straight down the ladders where we've left off at this level, and this is what's ahead of us. I can see like 2 or 3 more sections of ladder going down. Kind of have my curiosity satisfied for right now. You too?
Yeah.
Okay, we're heading out. We're down about 3 levels of ladders. Julie's throwing rocks at me. Julie heading back up. I just made the switch over from this one up to this one, and then to where I am now. We got this one to go up. Well, that concludes our visit to the Lincoln Boys mine today. It's a pretty interesting mine. I don't quite understand how that ore kept moving down, 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 and there's nowhere obvious for it to come out down below. But I'm not a miner. I didn't design it, and I don't necessarily understand it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video. We always appreciate it, and we will see you on our next adventure.